Okay, y'all, so we've done the cleansers. I will link the video on top of here. And my favorite conditioners for 2018 are also very few. I only have two of them. Yes, I only have two of them that are my favorite conditioners of 2018. And this is my, you would have heard about this before from me. This is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner. It actually doesn't have as much slip as I originally thought. It's still a very good conditioner. And it is also very good if you're going to co-wash. But boo, I reintroduced this conditioner into my life. And this is Holy Grail number 1 as of now. And that is the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Conditioner. And it says Deep Moisture. If you want to talk about slip, this conditioner is it. If you are a type 4 natural and you don't have this conditioner in your life and you have issues with detangling and moisture and slip, try this conditioner out. This was one of the first conditioners that I used about 7 years ago when I first grew natural, but I stopped using it for a while because I think they stopped producing, but now it is back on the market and I thoroughly love it. This is my Holy Grail conditioner. So these are the two conditioners that I have actually loved. I have used no other conditioners throughout the year. Well, I did use other conditioners, but they were not great. I did use the one from Nash Naturals. But yeah, it wasn't great, so it's not one of my Holy Grails. But these two, yeah, these are the Holy Grails.